This video we will move ahead with the same chapter but with the next command, that is Pset command. Pset command actually stands for pixel set. Now what this command is used for? This command is used when we want to draw a picture and we will be setting that where on the screen the first pixel for drawing the picture will begin. That is why it is called as Pset command. So for any of the image to be drawn, the first and the foremost thing that has to be done is setting up of the pixel where we are going to begin drawing our picture. Now how to do this? We will be writing Pset command, then we have to give the column from where the first pixel will begin, the column where the first pixel begin and the row where the first pixel will begin, because we have already discussed that pixels are arranged in the column and row. After this we will be giving what should be the color of the pixel, what should be the color of the drawing which we are going to have on the screen. So first we need to set the screen 13 because we are going to make use of the graphics. And why we are taking screen 13? You may take screen 12 also, screen 10, screen 9 also, but there you will not be having many of the colors. So therefore we are going to make use of screen 13 because there we will get 256 color. So that's why we have taken screen 13. Then we will write Pset because we are going to set the pixel. Then first you need to mention column, 60th column. That means our first pixel where the picture is going to be drawn is in the 60th column and 16th row. It is row, so 60th column and 16th row will be the first pixel which is going to draw the picture. And then we need to mention the color of the pixel. Here we have written 6, that is brown. Now what happens? When you will run this command, you will see a brown color pixel on the screen at the column 60 and row 16. It will appear as a tiny brown dot on your screen. Similarly, if you have written screen 12, again I said that you can choose any of the screens, so I chose screen 12 now. It's also a graphics screen, but the number of colors that I will get now will be only 16. Pset 160. This means now the drawing will begin from the pixel which is at 100th column and 60th row, and the color of the drawing of the pixel will be dark blue. So when you will run this program, you will get a dark blue color pixel on your screen at 100th column and 60th row. Now this example is a little modification. Again we are using screen 13. So far we were making use of only one Pset command, but now we are going to make use of the 2 Pset command. If you wish, you can make use of 4, 5, 6, as many as you wish. So here I have written Pset 664. Everything is same. We have written Pset, then we have given the column, then we have given the row, and then we have given the color of the pixel. Similarly with the second Pset also we did the same. We gave the column, we gave the row, and we gave the name of the color, code of the color. Now only the difference will be here that so far we will be getting only one pixel on the screen, but here when we have used 2 Pset commands, we will be getting 2 pixels on the screen, one of the red color and the other of the light magenta color. With this you will get a red color pixel, a red color dot on the screen, and with this you will get a light magenta pixel on the screen. So if you wish to have more pixels, you may make use of the more Pset commands. Next we move on to the line command. So far the commands that we have discussed, Pset, that was giving you only a tiny dot, only a single pixel. But to make a picture, we need to have more than 1 pixels. So how we are going to draw the pictures now? For that purpose, we are going to make use of the line command. This line command will draw a line between the 2 points, between the 2 specified pixels. It will start from the initial point and will end at an end point. You can see here how to draw a line. First, we will be writing line command, then x1, y1, x1, y1 to x2, y2. These x and y's are the coordinates. x1, y1 are the coordinates, column and the row for starting of the pixel, and x2, y2 are the coordinates for the end point. Then we are going to write the color name. Color will be specifying what color line are you going to draw. Then we are going to write b/bf. If we are writing b, that means this line command is going to be used for drawing a box, empty box. And if we write bf, that means box filled. Here we will be getting a box that will be filled. So that means if a box will be drawn, that will be a square or rectangle drawn on the screen. Now, but we are going to first see only a simple line. So to draw a simple vertical line, we will write screen 9 because we are going to draw graphics. So this time we have taken screen 9. Then we have written line 0, 0. This is x1, this is y1. That we will begin from x coordinate, that is 0, and to y coordinate, that is also 0. 0 row, 0 column. And we will go until 0 column and 100th row. 4. 4 means red. So you can see the output. See here, this is 0. 0 column. And here also 0 column. So our column did not get changed. We are here only. At this point only 0. But you can see that the row is changing. The first row was 0. The point was over here. But next it is 100. So it went down. It went down for changing the row. And as the row got changed, a line is drawn on the screen. So this way you can make use of the line command to draw a vertical line. Similarly, it can be done for the horizontal line also. While drawing a vertical line, we were changing the row. But while we will be drawing a vertical line, we will be changing the column. So when we will change the column, it will look something like this. Line 0, 0 to 100, 0, 1. This is the color. Line 0, 0. Column and row, column and row. So when we are going to draw a horizontal line, we are going to begin it from the 0 column, 0 row. And then we moved to 100th column. Columns are this way. So it moved to this place, 100th of the column. But you see, the rows are not changing. So rows are not changing, therefore we did not move down. And when we did not change the row, only the columns are changed, we have drawn a horizontal line. So this way we can draw a horizontal line. And if we wish, we can draw the box also by using the same line command. So to draw the box, again we are going to write line 18, 15, 115. First we are going to change what? We are going to change the column. That means we are making a vertical line. So we will write this command. Wherever the first command ends, we will start the next command from there only. And again, we will go and change the row now. The row is being changed. That means this will draw a horizontal line. Again, where this one ends, we will take it as the starting coordinate and we will move it. Again, you can see the columns are being changed. That means vertical lines are being drawn. Again it ends over here. We will make this as the starting coordinate and will continue. So when you will do this, you will be able to draw a box on the screen as it is shown in your book. So this is the output. This is the box that is drawn with that. And if you wish to draw a slant line, for the slant line you will be changing both the row as well as the column. First the initial coordinates were 10, 10. column and the rows were both 10, but the end points we gave 100. We changed both. We changed the column as well as the row. So when we changed both the row and the column, we got a slant line. So this slant line can be used to make the triangles. And how to do that? So you can see here we have made use of only the same command, the command that we had made use for drawing the slant line, and we are doing again the same thing. The last command that was for the end point, for the next line command we will make it the initial point. Here again we made it the initial point and end points were changed. So this way a triangle will be drawn on the screen using the slant line. And similarly the same commands can be used for drawing the circles, for drawing the squares. And you can see in your book example number 13 and 14. 13 and 14, they have the same thing. We have drawn a box, only the difference is that here it was written B, that's why it's a box only. We wrote the line command, and with the line command we write B and a box was drawn. And in this one with the line command we have written BF, box filled. That's why a square is drawn, but it is filled with the color that you gave. This is how we can make use of the line command to draw the boxes, to draw the squares.